Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Incredibly Flawless and I'm coming to you with a new video. Yes, I finally am back. I am back again. So I do apologize for the long absence. My computer was broken, I was super busy, and I do apologize. There's like really no excuse. I promise I'm trying to get on a regular schedule. I'm going to try to upload 2 to 3 times a week. So if you want to subscribe and stay tuned to me and be a part of my family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, like this video, and leave any comments of future videos that you would like for me to do. So let's get started into this video. This video is about Anastasia Beverly Hills. I did purchase quite a bit from her website on Black Friday, so it'll be an unboxing video. Here's the box. Let's see if I can get it in the shop. So I did purchase 27 items on Black Friday, and she had a great sale. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Paper. So here's my order pages. It's 3 pages long, and my first my first product that I could see right off the box that I was looking forward to forever. This palette I've been wanting for months and months and months, and I never ordered it. I don't know why, but I've been wanting it for a while. It's her lip palette. It's the volume 1. It has 13, I believe, 13 colors in it. I'm not sure. 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, 18 colors in it. Let's see. And me being a makeup artist, I love palettes. It comes with a little mixer, like you can mix the lips on it. It's like a palette that you can mix lips on it. And then here it is. Let me do it the right way. Here's the palette. It comes with a lip brush. I love that it has the film on top of the lipsticks and then the lip brush. So this is perfect for me being a mobile makeup artist. So that is the first item down. So I did purchase a whole bunch of single shadows. I ordered 18 single shadows, and then I'll just name them off because that is a lot of shadows. So I ordered Fudge, Noir, Morocco, Brick, Ballet, Loveless, Gold Rose, Pink Charm, Lace, 10K, it says Blushing, Fresh Pearl, Morocco, no, Morocco with the bronzer, I apologize, Rose, China Rose, Party Dre, and Bling. So those are the 18 shadows that I ordered from there. So my next purchase was the bronzer. This bronzer is Morocco. This bronzer, just off so many people seeing it. I've seen it on so many people, and I was like, oh, I've got to get that bronzer. I love her packaging. I love how she puts together all of her products. Look at the packaging, so pretty. And if you hear me sniffling, I'm so sorry, I'm sick. So this is Morocco. Wow, it feels like butter. Look at that. That color is so pretty. Oh, I cannot wait to use that color. So that's Morocco. What I bought was the foundation stick. This is in color Chestnut, and I will be doing a test wear video on this, a separate video, so I don't want to do too much into with this product. But this was this is the last product I bought. So they also sent me 2 single eyeshadow palettes. Let's open them up. So here they are. Here it is. It's so nice. It's see-through glass, which I love because being a makeup artist, like I said, being a makeup artist, I hate digging through them and opening up to see the different, what's in there, the different shadows that are in there. So I love that this is see-through. This is really hard plastic, so it's good quality plastic as well. So that is my unboxing from Anastasia of Beverly Hills. If you like to see more unboxing videos, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and like. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.